the world's toughest phone. It can't be crushed by a car, nor shattered by a brick. Cracking walnuts with it is just a basic function. The manufacturer promises a full refund if it breaks within 20 years. It's the so-called toughest rugged phone, the Nomu S50 Pro. Many bloggers were curious, so they bought it and conducted various tests. First, they put the phone in a pan and stir-fried it, even added an egg. Even though the egg was fully cooked, the phone was still intact. Compared to cooking, another test was even crazier. The phone was placed in a bowl, sprinkled with flour, made into a bun, and then steamed. When it was taken out, the dough was cooked, but the phone was still fine. Then, they rinsed it under a faucet and wiped it down. But even after washing, the phone looked as good as new, with no water intrusion, and the screen was still on. That wasn't enough, so they tossed the phone into a washing machine. Despite the intense spinning, it remained unscathed. They placed it in a home fish tank, and surprisingly, it could still take photos. Cold water didn't do the trick, so they tried hot water. They put the phone in a cup and poured boiling water over it. Yet the phone's screen was still on. Water didn't work? Then they tried fire. They froze the phone inside an ice cube, sprinkled it with alcohol, and lit it on fire. Despite the test of both ice and fire, it was still intact. Some even tried to shoot it with an arrow, but not even the screen cracked. It truly lives up to its IP69K rugged rating. Its durability is simply astonishing. If it were you, how would you try to destroy it?